Have you heard of germs? Do you know what a germ is? Germs can cause you to be sick. They're tiny little microorganisms that exist all around us, and they are invisible. So small you can't even see them. But they're real. And here are a few common nasty ones. Scary looking, I know. These germs have favorite places to hide and live, too. We call these areas germ hotspots, like kitchen countertops, doorknobs, and even your gaming devices and cell phone. And they love to live in your bathroom. If you don't kill these germs, they can spread and get on you and then inside you and make you sick. But here is the good news. You can kill these germs and help protect yourself by following these 3 simple, clean and healthy germ knockout rules. Number 1, build your immune system. A healthy body is a strong body. Always eat lots of veggies and fruit to build your immune system to protect yourself if and when a germ attacks your body. Number 2, wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Anytime you encounter a hot spot where germs live, scrub your hands all over, front and back, between fingers and around nails, for as long as it takes to sing Happy Birthday twice to really knock those germs out. And 3, germs love to spread from one sick person to another, so try to keep your germs to yourself. Cough or sneeze into the crook of your elbow to keep your hands clean and your germs contained. Then wash your hands. Just remember, germs are out there, and they can make you sick. Do your best to help prevent the spread of germs and knock them out. A message from Cincinnati Children's.